Unlocking success, the power of business planning. A busy metropolis, individuals in suits racing to work, and a montage of prosperous enterprises are shown in the opening picture. Success in the corporate sector is no accident in a world where innovation and ambition are the driving forces. It's a masterfully produced work that starts with a straightforward yet effective tool: business planning. Thank you for visiting Unlocking Success, the Power of Business Planning. We'll walk you through the key sections of business planning in this video and explain why it's the foundation of any successful endeavor. The visionary blueprint. Every great business begins as a vision before it actually materializes. Every great business person you respect started out with a vision, a distinct idea of what they hope to accomplish. But having a vision is only the first stroke on the canvas of achievement. It is not sufficient by itself.
You need a blueprint, a thorough business strategy to realize your idea.
Your business plan will describe your objectives, target market, rivals, and the tactics you'll use to win. Without it, you run the danger of getting lost on the way to your destination. Navigating the market. We delve further into comprehending the surroundings of your business in this chapter. The market is like a river, constantly shifting and occasionally unpredictable. You must carefully navigate its currents if you want to survive and prosper. You may evaluate market trends, spot possibilities, and foresee difficulties with the aid of your business plan. With this information at your disposal, you'll be better able to make decisions and guide your company toward success. Developing a winning strategy. Every move in business matters, just like it does in chess. Your playbook is your business plan. It describes the tactics you'll employ to outsmart your rivals, connect with your target market, and capture opportunities. With a carefully thought-out approach, you'll not only survive but also thrive in the cutthroat corporate environment. Obtaining resources. Securing resources without the required resources, no firm can succeed. When you're looking for capital or investment, your company plan can be an effective selling point. It persuades lenders and investors that your venue is worth their support. Your business plan may hold the key to unlocking the financing you require to expand, whether it be from a bank loan, venture capital, or crowdsourcing. Adapting and thriving. Adaptability is essential in the dynamic corporate world. Your business plan is a living, dynamic document that changes as your company does. It enables you to take advantage of fresh chances and adjust to changing conditions. The ones who can adapt and succeed are the ones who get to write their success stories. You now know the importance of company planning. A well-structured business plan is your key to success in everything from creating your visionary blueprint to navigating the market, creating a winning strategy, getting resources, and adapting to survive. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to comment below if you found it to be educational. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful information that can open the door to success. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Thank you for watching, and may a solid business plan serve as a guide on your path to success.